This is task 1 from 15.1. This should be on page 466. Okay, so this is all about fair share. So if everyone has a fair share of a group of items, they will all have the same number of items. So while at the beach, 3 friends found 6, 1, and 5 shells. The friends agreed to divide the shells evenly. How many shells would each person get? So let's look at the model here. And for each friend to have the same number of shells or a fair share of shells, what needs to happen? So the first friend has 6, the second friend has 1, and the third friend has 5. So what needs to happen for everyone to have the same number of shells? Okay. Well, the 2 friends with more shells need to give to the friend with only 1. Okay, the 2 friends with more shells need to give to the friend with only 1. That way, the friends have the same amount. Well, let's draw this out here. Okay, for part B, we are going to explain how you could rearrange the shells in part A so that each friend has the same number of shells, and sketch the fair shares. Okay, so what we can do is, if we take, let's say, we take from the first pile, we're going to move 2 shells from the first friend, and 1 shell from the third friend. And what this looks like is if we take 2 of these and move them over here, and 1 of these and move them over here, what we'll end up with is 4 in each group. So then we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that there would be 4 for each friend. Okay, so then suppose the 3 friends had found 9, 1, and 5 shells. How many shells would each person get? So each person, let's think about this. If we give 4 from the first one to the second one, then each person would have 5. So each person would have 5 shells because the first would give 4 to the second. And that will be finding the fair share.